everyone, this is Andy here again. As you can see, this is the part 2 of my build, and I've changed from the Rampage 4 Extreme to the Rampage 4 Black Edition. Same amount of RAM, same CPU, the 4820K as the EVGA 770 Fuck the World, FTW I mean. I need a Kingston 240 V300 SSD, same amount of hard drives, 2 Seagates, 2 terabyte green drives, and 1 Western Digital green drive at 2 terabytes also. Yeah. And as you can see, this bad boy is pushing at 4.3 megahertz, 4.3 gigahertz, and it's running on all 4 cores. Yeah, it's 130 watts, IRG, and the core voltage is at 1.28 volts. Yeah. Thanks for watching.